Hello friends, today I am going to share a useful trick on how to sample a color outside of the Photoshop. Before starting the tutorial, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all new updates. Let's move to the tutorial. First of all, I'll hold down the control key and then click on this layer thumbnail. My icon is selected and then I'll go to the adjustment layer and then select the solid color. Now this is the color picker. Now I want to pick the color outside of the Photoshop. I'll simply click here and hold down the left click of the mouse and drag it to the photo. You can see here in the color picker, my color is changing. Now I want to pick the color of this door and then I'll release the mouse button and then press OK. Let me press the Ctrl 0 key to fit the image on my screen. You can see here the color change. Now I want to change the color of this logo also. I'll again hold down the Control key and click on this layer. And then I'll again go to the adjustment layer and click on the solid color. And this time I'll sample the leaves color. I'll hold down the left click button of my mouse and then drag the color of these leaves. Okay, this color is fine for me and I'll press OK. And again, I'll fit the image on my screen by pressing the Ctrl 0 key. You can see the whole color change. And then I'll select this layer mask and I'll go to the toolbar and then select this lock only. And I'll inverse my color by pressing the Ctrl Shift and I key. And then I'll press the Ctrl and backspace key. Okay, fine. And then I'll press the Ctrl D key to deselect the selection. Now the color of this icon change. In this way, you can easily sample the color outside of the Photoshop. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If you do, then please like this tutorial and also leave a comment. Stay connected with us. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.